Installing a tractor from start to finish depends on the context, whether you're assembling a new tractor from a crate, setting up a used one for operation, or installing attachments. I'll walk you through the general process of installing and setting up a new tractor, assuming it has been delivered in parts or requires assembly and setup. 1. Preparing for installation. Before you start, gather necessary tools like wrenches, socket sets, a torque wrench, hydraulic fluid, engine oil, coolant, and a manual for reference. Ensure you have a level work area, preferably a concrete surface or a shop floor. 2. Unpacking and inspecting components. Remove the packaging and check all parts against the manual. Inspect for shipping damage or missing parts. Ensure tires, axles, engine, hydraulics, and electrical components are intact. 3. Assembling the tractor. Install the wheels, tires. Some tractors are shipped without wheels attached. Bolt them onto the axles using a torque wrench. Attach the chassis components. If the tractor is shipped disassembled, attach major components like the engine, frame, and transmission according to the manufacturer's instructions. Install the operator's seat and controls. Secure the seat, steering wheel, and instrument panel. Ensure all controls are properly aligned. Connect the battery. Install the battery, ensuring correct polarity. Check voltage levels. Fill fluids. Add engine oil, coolant, and hydraulic fluid as per the manufacturer's specifications. 4. Connecting hydraulic and electrical systems. Hydraulics. Connect hoses, check for leaks, and ensure proper pressure levels. Electrical. Test wiring, lights, and safety features. 5. First start and testing. Turn the key and listen for abnormal sounds. Check for leaks, smoke, or warning lights. Test movement, brakes, and hydraulics. Drive slowly to ensure everything operates smoothly. 6. Final adjustments and attachments. Adjust tire pressure for proper traction. If needed, install implements like a loader, mower, or tiller. Grease all moving parts. Secure bolts and fasteners. 7. Safety check and first use. Inspect rollover protection ROPs. Ensure lights and signals work. Test emergency shutoff and brakes. Drive around a test area before full use. Great! Could you specify the exact type of tractor you're installing? For example, compact utility tractor for small farms, landscaping. Farm tractor larger, used for plowing, tilling, harvesting. Industrial or construction tractor used for heavy-duty tasks like excavation. It sounds like you're working on installing a farm tractor, but I need a little more detail about your situation. Are you assembling a brand new tractor from a crate, for example, delivered in parts, needs full setup? Setting up a used tractor, for example, checking fluids, hydraulics, and making it operational. Installing attachments or implements, for example, plow, tiller, loader. Here's a step-by-step guide to installing a farm tractor from start to finish. I'll assume you're either assembling a new tractor from a crate or setting up a used one for operation. Step 1. Preparation. Before starting, gather the necessary tools and materials. Tools needed: wrenches, sockets, and torque wrench. Screwdrivers and pliers, hydraulic fluid, engine oil, coolant, and grease. Battery charger if needed. Tire pressure gauge. Work area. Choose a flat, stable surface. Concrete is best. Ensure enough space to move around the tractor. Have a helper if lifting heavy parts. Step 2. Unpacking and inspecting the tractor. If assembling from a crate, remove all packaging materials. Check all components against the parts list. Look for shipping damage, cracks, leaks, missing bolts. If setting up a used tractor, inspect tires, hydraulics, battery, and wiring for wear. Check for oil leaks or rust. Step 3. Installing the wheels and chassis if needed. Bolt the wheels onto the axles using a torque wrench. If the tractor was shipped in parts, attach the frame, engine, and transmission following the manufacturer's manual. Check tire pressure before moving the tractor. Step 4. Connecting the battery and electrical system. Install the battery and connect the positive plus and negative terminals. If the battery is weak, charge it before starting. Test the electrical system, lights, indicators, ignition switch, and horn. Step 5. Filling fluids and lubrication. Engine oil, fill to the recommended level. Coolant, use the correct antifreeze mixture. Hydraulic fluid, fill and check for leaks. Diesel fuel, ensure a clean supply if applicable. Grease moving parts, steering, joints, and linkages. Step 6. First start and engine check. Turn the key without starting to check electrical indicators. Start the engine and listen for abnormal sounds, knocking, rough idle. Let the tractor warm up for a few minutes. Check for leaks, smoke, or warning lights. Step 7. Testing hydraulics and brakes. Engage the hydraulic system and check as the lift arms and attachments move smoothly. Press the brakes to ensure they engage properly. Shift through gears if manual transmission. Step 8. Attaching implements if needed. If using a plow, loader, tiller, or other implement, follow these steps. Align the 3-point hitch quick attach system. Secure the implement with locking pins. Connect hydraulic hoses if required. Test movement before full operation. Step 9. Safety checks and first drive. Inspect the ROPS, rollover protection structure, for security. Check seat belts and emergency shutoff. Test drive the tractor in an open area. Move forward and reverse. Turn left and right. Test brakes at different speeds. Step 10. Final adjustments and maintenance. Tighten loose bolts after a few hours of use. Monitor fluids and top up if necessary. Grease moving parts regularly. Keep the air filter clean to ensure proper airflow.